Well, hello and welcome to West Wales, and I'm out walking the dog in the dappled sunshine in the woods near the house, which is very lovely. It's a very warm day, but it's nice to be in the shade. Now, a bit of a sort of channel announcement really. I was rather hoping to do a spinning video for my next video. However, my RSI is, although getting better, still a bit too painful. I did try to spin yesterday because I wanted to make a video and it just was too painful. So until I can really get back to spinning, I'm a little bit stuck as to what to actually put on the channel. Now, there are lots of things I like to do that are not painful in my hands, but as you, I'm sure, are aware, in YouTube world, if you start putting random content on a channel that's particularly for one subject, it messes up the algorithm, so that the wonderful algorithm gods don't know who to show the videos to. So for that reason, as I am going to still make videos, because, you know, it's my hobby, it's fun, I like it, I'm going to be making gardening content, because I can do that just kind of sitting and talking to the camera. But I'm not going to do that on this channel. I've set up another channel that ages ago was going to be a vlogging channel, but it kind of just, it was all too much. And yeah, so I've set up another channel. It is going to be about gardening content, because as I said, I can do that without using my hands too much. I can very much do what is known as a talking head video, and I can do talking head videos about spinning a little bit, but spinning is such a practical thing that really you sort of need to be showing people what you're doing. So show don't tell. So that is where I'm sort of at the moment. I did a bit of illustration, bit of painting over the week, and it wasn't too bad, but as soon as I started to try and spin, it was no good. I mean, I know RSI takes I keep saying RSA, no, RSI takes a really long time to get better. I do know that, and I know from the comments that quite a lot of you have had it in the past. Typing doesn't help. Yeah, so basically all the things that I do really are not improving it. And because it's really hot again, the silicone on the outside of Andrew's wheelchair rim keeps popping off again, which is how I did it in the first place. So I'm also having to keep putting that back on. I have found a way of doing it where I'm actually popping the silicone in boiling water, or nearly boiling water, so it's softened, so it's not as hard to put back on, but still I'm having to do that. And yeah, so all in all, a bit of a bore, but I just thought I would update you and let you know what was going on. And it's not because that I don't want to make content for the channel, because I really do. It's just I have to be sensible, and my hands are just too painful. Anyway, so I'm going to carry on with my walk, and I hopefully will see you soon. I might try a bit of sewing. Sewing is not quite as hard on the hands if I'm using the machine. I mean, hand sewing, no, I can't do that, but yeah, I'll see. Anyway, I just thought I would update you and let you know what's going on. I really appreciate everybody that supports the channel members, and you know, you watch my videos and leave a comment and all the lovely things that you do. So I really do appreciate that, and I'm just sorry that I can't make the content that I want to make at the moment. But fingers crossed, but not too hard, that I'll be back able to share some fibre arts content really soon.